Example 2. Example 2. And for this example, we're going to do 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. What is that? Hey, it's nothing. Let's not break our heads. Let's use the example of the number line because we want to know what's going on, right? We want to see how this is going to work. Now, remember, it's 3 and 5. So now I think I'm going to make my line a little bit bigger because I'm going to go 5. In this case, I see that it's negative, right? I see that this number is negative, right? 5. So I'm at least going to make the negative side be at least 5 units long. The positive number at least 3 units to the right side, right? But again, this is information to help you kind of draw your line so that when you're kind of counting, you don't go. Again, I just went a little bit over the top. Doesn't matter. You can do it however you want. But so here we are. We dissect these. Okay, so we got it right. What else? The infinity. Thank you, audience. Infinity. It's right here. Let's start so we can look at only at this problem. All right. And same thing. I'm gonna do my 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. I don't even have 5 on either side. Relax. All right, so relax. So I do have 3 on one side. So I'm gonna start with the one that I know have enough spaces, right? So let's go over here. I'm gonna rewrite the problem like the way I was doing it earlier. So we're gonna write here 3. 3 minus 5. The same thing. Let's look at the numbers. 3, what's in front of it? Nothing. Nothing's in front. So we know it's, if you forgot, bro, like, come on. It's right here. No hay nada. Nothing. It's positive. All right. So if it's positive, here it is. And if this is, this one tells me it's negative. So let's do this one first. Let's do the 3. So, okay. So first, let's do the plus 3. So I'm going to do it, down here instead of top. So he's going to go 3 to the right because positive means to the right side. Positive to the right side. A la derecha. To the right. So 3 to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Right? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 3. So this whole thing is 3, of course. And we end up here. So now, our little friend, what should we call him? Doesn't matter. We just know that he helped us understand the number line. So we go 1, 2, ira. 3. So after you're there, ahí está. Right? So now let's do negative 5. So from where we end up, again, we're not starting from where we start at 0. No, that's where we started when we were beginning, right? But we already walked the first number that we have on our problem, which is plus 3. So now that we're here, we're going to go 5, but where? Ahora, mira, to the other side. So now we're going to go, so this one, let me show that we went to the right this way, right? We went this way. So now we're going to go the other way, right? Now we're going to go from here. He's going to go 5 units. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Dude, I forgot to put the negative numbers here. I forgot. Just put them. And nobody told me anything either. Negative. Ahí está. Right? So that means that we went, here we went negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. 5 units to the left. And where did we end up? Where did our little guy end up? Mira, let's get the little guy again. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. So where did we end up? We ended up at negative 2. So in this particular problem, the answer is negative 2. So we go here and